Get up there.
I can't see him. I'm the different.
You gotta let him drive away. Oh. There's a porcupine, our bad driver over here.
Well, we out here in Utah. Just letting you see we out in bear country, but I ain't scared of no bears, so we good to go. Well, we got snowed out this morning. We couldn't do any glassing or anything, so now we're down at Denny's eating breakfast here in Salino, Utah. Ready to go. We've been scouting elk, but now I got my Utah fishing license. Gonna go do some fishing this afternoon and catch me a big one. Good morning. It's Bruce out here. It's pretty windy. I hope you can hear me. I'm out here in Utah. We on this elk hunt, getting ready to get breakfast started and go out and do some fishing later. That's one of my buddy's dogs. There's our trailer. Go over here and get my kitchen set up. All right, there's my kitchen. Getting ready to fire up the kitchen. Some of the guys went out to do some scouting. Very beautiful place here. I'm out here in Utah. We cooking breakfast, getting ready for this elk hunt, which starts tomorrow. We're gonna get our breakfast done, and then we're gonna go do a little fishing today. Well, up getting breakfast done. We got sausage and potatoes there. We got sausage and potatoes there. A little windy out here this morning, but we're gonna make it work. Out here getting breakfast ready for everybody. Starting to get a little cool, but we'll be all right. Get some breakfast in us. All right, I'm heading down here to a lake. We're gonna walk in a little bit and see if we can catch us some trout down here. Gotta do a little walk, but it's not too far. Yes, and it is cold. Got a little snow on the ground, as you can see. Well, we're walking down under these ponds. It's sure pretty up in here. Two little ponds are. See what we can catch down here. All right, I'm here fishing this high lake up in Utah. I'm using a little MEP spinner. My nephew's using a elk hair caddis, and we're gonna see what we can do with them. This is a beaver dam I ran into down here while we fishing. You can see all these fresh cut logs. He just cut these. He's getting ready for winter. He's got them all piled up, ready to go. And you can see a slide right over there where he's going up and down. Back around, and we'll go up here a little ways and you'll be able to see where he's been eating on the trees. Right there he's been eating on. He's done some pretty good cutting on it. Come on up here. That looks like an old one he may have cut down right there. That's just kind of another view of his dam down there. We got some elk up here spotted on the hill, and everybody got their glasses out, and we're glassing for him. This big bull up there. He's way up there on the hill. We can't see him with this, but we got our spotting scopes and all that kind of stuff, and everybody got binoculars, and Chris is here trying to spot one. Kyle's looking through the spotting scope now to see if he can see that big bull up there. Okay. All right, we're here in Utah. We're fishing in a high lake and has rainbow trout in it. And we're using power bait. They say that's what they buy out here. So there's our power bait, green. We're gonna give it a try.
I think you spooked them. It looked like they were rubbing on the ground like they were on a nest. Chris, don't spook them.
Very pretty fish up here. That's a good cold water. A rainbow and a brook trout. That's pretty good.
Bruce, all you gotta do is,
20 minutes work.
because you got a license. I missed a big fish over there with Bruce's little hook, bit the hook, so got a big streamer. Hopefully I can catch one as big as Bruce got. Bruce.
Yours is a little fatter.
Ooh, look at that brook trout. Damn, he's a good looking fish.
Scott's got the trophy so far.
Trophy.
We're going to old reliable worm here. When all else fails, try worms. Worms catch everything.